Every heart carries stories, some spoken, some silent. Most of us were taught to talk, not to truly listen. We learn to hold things in, to smile through our pain, forgetting what it feels like to be fully seen. That's why we gather to create spaces where it's safe to speak, safe to listen, and safe to just be.
And for nearly 3 decades, I've been walking alongside parents and child-focused professionals, helping them understand better themselves and find more calm in the chaos of life through the practices of nonviolent communication.
It's remembering what it means to be human together, where conversations heal, presence nourishes, and love becomes action.
I'm going to offer ways to meet our uncomfortable emotions, understand them, and turning them into allies in our path.
In a world full of noise and disconnection, we come together to slow down.
My offerings will have a particular focus on nonviolent communication in the workplace, leadership, collaboration with teams, and also holding difficult conversations.
In Kerala, a land of timeless beauty and quiet transformation, the earth itself invites us home to what truly matters.
I support people to transform their relationships with themselves and with each other, whether it's at home or at work or in their communities, one conversation at a time.
Join us for the Foundation Training Retreat, a space we co-create together where it's safe to learn, safe to feel, and safe to simply be.